so much for coming back to the channel. So today we're going to know about the AI tool Leonardo, what's its future and what it can do for us. Like it is offering us real-time canvas, real-time generation, motion, image creation already, which is described earlier video, upscaler, canvas editor, more. Suppose we're going to generate real-time real-time generation. We have to click here. We can see an interface here, and we have to give the prompt like anything you want to write. You can write here scenery based on native village people people is working. See, after just pressing the prompt, the AI has taken my prompt and created the image on the real-time basis. It can be done through anything. So I hope the video was very helpful to you, and in your contents you can also use this kind of videos or images. So see you in the next video. Thank you.